There are 33 reserved words in the Python programming language. In this video, we will discuss the keyword break. Welcome, Python explorers. Today, we're cracking the code on a simple yet powerful Python keyword, break. It's short, but it packs a punch in controlling the flow of your loops. Let's dive in. The break keyword in Python does exactly what it sounds like. It breaks out of the enclosing loop. Whether it's a for loop or a while loop, break immediately stops the iterations and exits the loop. Why is break so crucial? It gives you precise control over your loop execution. Use break to end a loop when a specific condition is met, preventing unnecessary iterations and optimizing your code's performance. The break statement is your go-to when you need to stop a loop before it naturally completes. It's perfect for exiting loops when searching for a specific item, when an exit condition is triggered, or when you simply want to cut short lengthy computations. Let's see break in action with a straightforward example. In this snippet, we iterate over a list of numbers to find the first positive number. Once we find it, we use break to exit the loop, preventing further unnecessary checks. And, just like that, you've mastered the art of the break statement. By integrating break into your loops, you can write cleaner, more efficient Python code. Remember, it's not just about coding, it's about coding smart. Keep exploring, keep innovating, and most importantly, keep breaking through those loops. Don't forget to subscribe for more Python wisdom.